Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the Synology SAT5220 2960GB SSD, a 2.5-inch SATA drive specifically designed for Synology NAS systems. If you're looking to boost the performance and reliability of your network-attached storage, this might be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Synology isn't just throwing any old SSD into the mix. They've engineered this drive for the unique demands of NAS environments. One of the standout features is its impressive performance, boasting up to 67,000 4K random write IOPS. This translates to significantly faster response times when dealing with demanding I/O operations, such as running virtual machines, handling large databases, or editing high-resolution video files directly from your NAS. But performance is only half the story. Enterprise-grade endurance is crucial for any storage device that's going to be running 24/7. The SAT5220 doesn't disappoint, offering a staggering 10,000 TBW terabytes written. This high endurance rating means it can handle intensive and mixed workloads without breaking a sweat, ensuring long-term reliability and peace of mind. Data protection is another area where Synology has gone the extra mile. The SAT5220 features end-to-end data protection, safeguarding your valuable files from corruption. It also includes power loss protection, which is essential for preventing data loss in the event of an unexpected power outage. These features provide an extra layer of security, ensuring your data remains safe and accessible. What truly sets this SSD apart is its seamless integration with Synology systems. It's been rigorously validated to ensure interoperability, and firmware updates are automatically handled through Synology DSM. This tight integration simplifies management and ensures optimal performance. Plus, the SAT5200 SSDs offer advanced disk lifespan analytics, giving you valuable insights into the drive's health and remaining lifespan. And finally, Synology backs this drive with a 5-year limited warranty, demonstrating their confidence in its quality and durability. If you're serious about maximizing the performance and reliability of your Synology NAS, the SAT5220 SSD is definitely worth considering. It's an investment that can pay off in the long run by providing faster speeds, greater data protection, and enhanced peace of mind.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.